Hi, so the next exam that I had was of English, but उसके लिए बहुत सारे दिन थे, so I decided to practice accounts and eco instead. So here I was making notes of eco, like just short revision notes, which of the topics that I usually find difficult from Sunil Panda sir's video, and yeah, that is what I was doing. And then उसके बाद I did some accounts as well.
I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. I imagine we fell in love on that one.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. अब जो कि we have a really long gap before our English exam, so today I'm finally going out after so many days, and then we'll just come home and study. Of course, we're not gonna waste the whole day because there is no time to waste anymore, so we'll just go out for a while and then we'll come back and then we'll study. So yeah, let's go. So accounts hasn't been easy for me lately because I don't know, is pure saal hi I was just having some problems with accounts, but yeah, I'm just still trying my best to do whatever I can. Like I'm aiming for high marks, but I don't know what's gonna happen, so yeah, we'll see. And also the quality of this video is not so good, like right now the clips which are like playing right now, because I had to shoot with my iPad because my phone was discharged, so yeah, sorry about that. So now English की तैयारी is also going on along with eco and accounts. Eco and accounts को मैं थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम दे रही हूँ, but English भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. English को I'm like watching the video lectures regularly, बस थोड़े से. And yeah, that is it. And then I'll just do a few sample papers and it'll be over. But what about eco and accounts? Like what is going to happen? मुझे साइंस वालों के फिजिक्स के पेपर के बारे में सुन के बहुत डर लग गया है CBSE से कि वो इको और अकाउंट्स में कॉमर्स वालों से भी बदला ना ले ले. सो आई एम स्कैर्ड नाउ CBSE प्लीज डोंट बिट्रे, प्लीज ऐसा मत करना. एंड ऑल्सो इसी बात पे प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. थोड़ा सा आई सॉ दैट अ फ्यू सब्सक्राइबर्स grew, so yeah, please show your support and show your love, please. I just wasted half of the day and now I'm gonna sit and be at least a little productive so that जो exams बचे हैं वो ख़राब नहीं होने चाहिए. So let's do it together. I was honestly able to get done with most of the work that I planned to do, and like it was quite a productive session, so I don't really regret that much. But आधा दिन तो I wasted, and like gaps में तो ऐसा हो ही रहा है. But anyways, please subscribe so that I am motivated enough to upload more and more videos. Please do that, and I'll meet you in the next one. We'll meet in more boards related content, and yeah, bye.